Welcome to Alaska Life. Please subscribe. This is the Cosco steel frame shelter. You can see at the bottom my little roll-up PVC. These sheds have worked out real good. This shed I just walked into, this is its first winter. And the other side is that shed's been up for its second winter. The only issue I've had so far is the zipper seam. I had a zipper seam come undone. I'll be fixing that this summer. But this thing works real well. I use my kayaks up in the top of it. I park vehicles in it. I have no problems. It is setting up on railroad ties. The feet are actually screwed into railroad ties, which raises it up just enough for one of our trucks to go through, even with those boards up there. Those boards only have 1-inch circle cuts in each side, which a half of an inch circle cut in each side, which it hangs on to the side rails. And I've got ratcheted strap. The top side rails are ratcheted strapped together to keep it from spreading apart so much. If a snow load gets too big, the rails will spread, and it's no fun. But I haven't had that issue yet, except once when I realized to put ratchet straps on. But works real well. I like these little sheds for the money. It's a good price. The next up that we buy up here is about $800 for a shed this size, and these being right around less than $300 works real well. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Got a little bit of information. Have a great summer or winter, whatever time you're going to see this video. We're going into spring right now. But have a great time. Please subscribe, Alaska Life. Come on up here and visit.